this is Chantel at WTI. Are you looking for a solution of how to store all of your beautiful thread? Well, this spool holder by US Art Supply has been really handy. We have it set up right by our embroidery machine, and it's so nice that all of the colors are on display. So we can just grab what we need without having to dig around. It holds 120 spools, so it's the perfect size. The rack is made from beechwood and it's really sturdy. I love the natural look of the rack, but it is designed to be painted if you wanted to, which is really nice. I also like that if you don't have the space, you can close the legs and just lean it against any surface, or you can also hang it on the wall as it has a wall mount on the back. The spindles are glued into place nicely and have held up really well. We've had it for over 2 years now and it has been really great. We definitely recommend this spool holder, but that's just our point of view.